You know, I just got the Apple Watch Series 5 Titanium, and I'm really excited about it. Let me tell you how I'm going to incorporate this great tool into becoming a healthier person. Hey, Zach Pack. Welcome back to Zach Talks Tech. My name is Zach. Let's talk about the tech that you love. So like I said, I'm really excited about incorporating the Apple Watch into my upcoming, health kick, basically. I've been really careless with my health over the years. It's not so much eating bad, it's just, eating bad portions of things and maybe not getting enough exercise. So I'm really excited about incorporating this in with my life and seeing what it can help. Now, let's be really clear. You do not need a Apple Watch, any type of smartwatch or anything like that to become healthy. You don't need these tools. You can simply just make that lifestyle change. But these will help. They are a tool to remind yourself, to track things like that. So that's what I'm looking forward to, is to tracking those type of things, to check the heart rate, to make sure I'm standing, to make sure I'm moving, to make sure I'm closing those rings on there. So I am hoping to give you guys an update 2, maybe 3 times a month about how it's working and how it's improved my life. Earlier this year, back in January of 2019, I went into the hospital. I weighed in around 408 pounds. It was about a week before CES. And I had basically a collapse in my house and just extreme pain, and basically it was a hernia, okay? But a hernia that just extreme pain. I went in for all the scans and everything like that, and the doctors basically said to me, hey Zach, you need to lose some weight and then we can look into possible bariatric surgery or whatnot. Personally speaking, I don't want to do that. Doctors don't want to do that. So I decided to make some lifestyle changes. Now, as of today, as of the recording of this video, I weigh 345 pounds. So that's a 63 pound difference since January. I'm pretty happy about that. And all I've done is some small tweaks here and there. Reduce pop and soda that I've drank, smaller portions at dinner, reduce some carbs, eating protein when I'm hungry, drinking lots and lots and lots of water. When I am buying, fizzy drinks or something like that, I'm buying stuff with 0 sugar, 0 carbs, 0 calories, things like that. So I'm being more conscious of what I'm eating and putting in my body. And I'm trying to get up and moving every day. I'm trying to go for a walk, go to the mall, whatever it is, get outside, go for a walk. I recently did the walk up to Moraine Lake, up to the rock pile. And when I tried to do that back in July, I couldn't even make it down the path. Okay, I couldn't even make it down the path. I was sweating buckets. My heart was racing. And I just did it earlier this week, like just a week ago or whatever it was. I was there on Tuesday. But I was able to walk up all those steps and make it up there and get those gorgeous photos and do the video I needed to do and everything like that. And I'm looking forward to going back again and doing even more hikes like that and bringing you guys more things. And I'm hoping that the Apple Watch is going to help me with that, with my journey of weight loss, getting healthier. Of course, I need to watch what I'm eating, what I'm doing, everything like that. So this is just a tool. And I imagine a lot of other people that get this tool look at it just like that, as an assistant. And that's what I'm hoping this will do. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous device. Functionality-wise, that's what I'm mostly concerned about. But it looks really good with that leather band. I love this leather band going around. The titanium look is gorgeous and everything like that. But honestly, it's the functionality that you should look at if you look at getting something like this. So a lot of people are saying, you know, the Apple Watches are expensive. Yes, they are, but you should honestly look at the functionality. Maybe a Series 3 or a Series 4 is better for you. Those come at a lower price point. Maybe get something made of aluminum or stainless steel. I know the aluminum ones are a lot more affordable. So look at the functionality rather than maybe the materials they're made of. Because honestly, it doesn't really matter what they're made of. You want to worry about the functionality and working with your Apple devices or whatever you're working with. So I'm excited about my journey, about where this is going to go. I want to lose another 100 pounds, but I'm going to be in a lot better place, I think. I think I'll be rocking a really good dad bod. So come along with me. Let's document this journey together. Like I said, I want to give you guys updates every, up to 3 times a month, basically, and let you guys know what's going on. And let me know if you have any questions, any suggestions, anything like that. Put them down in the comment section there. We will have a conversation. If this video's helped you guys out at all, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well. Leave me a hashtag ZachPack down in the comment section. You're part of my Zach Pack, and I'm glad you're here. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Cheers.